Content types are the basic building block in SharePoint. Almost everything that you work with in SharePoint comes from a content type, whether it be libraries, list items, pages, or other things. By definition, a content type is a reusable collection of different SharePoint components. These components include things like metadata, site columns, workflows, templates, and many other settings. This collection of components work together to provide a singular bundle of features within your setup. You learnt about columns in the previous lesson on document libraries. While we are only looking at columns being added to the library directly, you can also add a column to the site so that it is available to all libraries, if required, under that site, and these are called site columns. Content types actually go even beyond that and are more powerful than simply using site columns. Consider a case where you wish to standardize some specific set of fields across your organization. Say you need that all client-facing documents, such as proposals and invoices, must capture the name of the client organization, the city, and the document type as part of the document metadata. There are 3 different ways you could do this. The first is to simply add the 3 columns to the document library. This is easy enough, but cannot be reused if another library needs it. The second is to create the fields as site columns, and then add them to the library. In this case, you can reuse the site columns by adding them one by one to the different libraries. The third is to use content types. You define the fields as site columns and then add them to a content type. The content type then gets assigned to the library. And of course, it can be reused on multiple sites and multiple libraries. You might wonder what advantage using the content type gives over site columns, as both need to be added to a library in any case. The advantage is that if later you wish to add a new column or change an existing one to all the libraries with these client details, you can do it in one step using a content type. Simply add the column to the content type and all libraries using that type will automatically get the new column as well. If you were using site columns, you would need to go to each and every library and manually add the site column in. Content types work with both lists as well as libraries, and work with any type of document as well.